look at all the flags. I think it's all the countries of the world now that I think about it. And look at outside. It's such a great view. The clouds are so puffy and the trees are glooming. And we also have a ton of books everywhere. I can't even count them. I dare you to count all these books. Look at this giant house or igloo. It's an igloo type of thing, and then we have to sign up, and inside it looks like we're in outer space, and we can see the moon, stars, everything. And there's a ton of interesting books, everything you could ever imagine. If you want, for example, Diary of a Wimpy Kid, it's there. If you want a fact book, it's there. If you want a fun book, it's there. If you want a boring book, it's there. I'm in the library now, and I've found some of the perfect books. And I already read this book, but I'm going to show it to you guys. The Happy Little Yellow Box, a pop-up book of opposites by David A. Carter. Outside and inside the happy little yellow box. Inside the happy little yellow box is the happy little red box. And inside the happy little red box is the happy little blue box. And inside the happy little blue box is the happy little white box. And inside the happy little white box is a mouse. He's so cutie. Now let's go to the next page. High and low with a happy little yellow box. Right now he's high, now he's low. High, low, he's flying. Up and down with a happy little yellow box. So as you can see, I can hold this. He's going up and down the building. Like so. Woo, he's gonna speed. And we also have near and far with a happy little yellow box. He can use the power of teleportation to teleport from here to there. If you don't believe me, watch this. He's there now. If you go back, he's right there. Teleporting, 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 teleporting. Isn't that cool? Put him back to the normal house. In and out of the happy little yellow box. So we can just pull this. There's a horse. There's a big horse and a small horse inside the truck. Now we have open and close with a happy little yellow box. So I can open it. There is a car and we can close it. And those are opposites. And off and on with the happy little yellow box. I can surprise you actually. What was that? Was that the chicken? It's time for dinner. Don't use him for dinner, silly. He's just a chicken. Whatever, I'm going back to sleep. Me too. Me too. Wasn't that funny? And look at this giant guy. Well, if you want to know how this works, look. He's bended like this until he opens. And you can see the box for a split second, actually. But when he folds back, look, it's a giant little big box. And guess what? It's inside this little box. It's a tiny box. And he's smiling right at you. Happy little yellow boxes.